Okay, so we're setting up for an appointment. So first thing that we're doing is putting on the gloves. We're cleaning. I don't like to have chemicals in my hands. That's why I always wear gloves. I like to steam my room right before the client comes. So I put in water into my steamer, and then I put in like some type of essential oil because I love the smell of essential oils. Put that to the side till the client comes. Coming through with the bibs, well, the mats, whatever I'll be calling this. I'll be calling it the bibs because I saw it. I saw it on Amazon. It was called a dental bib, and I was like, they do be using this at the dentist though. Anyway, put that drill, put my alcohol in my bottle. I had to refill my alcohol bottle because it was running out. Then obviously with the monomer, my monomer was finished. Had to quickly run and order online next day delivery. Shout out to Nailedbythagodz for the next day delivery. So I put a little bit of tissue down so for me to drain my beads, put my glue down, and my cuticle oil and also my primer. Okay, what am I actually gonna need for this exact set? So I was like, okay, black. This is Serious Black from Nailedbythagodz. Then I obviously had to get my 80/80 grit files, gotta get that crisp shaping, we gotta get the buffers, get that smooth surface. But not least, lint-free wipes, cuticle bits, clippers, line brushes, and cuticle nippers. Also put out a fresh pair of gloves so I don't have to look for gloves before I start. Products not tagged below in this video will be linked to my Amazon storefront. Link is in my bio. Black Friday is coming. Don't miss out. Start stocking your baskets now. And if you haven't entered our giveaway, go do that right now.